Hi guys, my name is Grace and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video guys is I am going to be sharing with you my mini Luxe Organix haul. Finally, I am joining the bandwagon of the Luxe Organix product users, and actually matagal ko naman nang na-try yung Luxe Organix, and isa lang sa mga products nila ang na-try ko, and ito yun, yung soothing gel. So I believe parang naka 2 tubs na ako nito, and sabi ko after, dahil ayan malapit na siyang maubos, is that gusto kong mag-try ng iba pang skincare products from the Luxe Organix, since I've been hearing a lot of good feedbacks. I've been doing the Korean skincare routine for I believe almost 2 years now, and definitely nakatulong talaga siya prevent yung acne as well as matanggal yung mga acne marks sa face ko. Lately, my work has been very demanding. I am actually looking or planning to switch or palitan yung aking skincare routine dun mas madali, kasi nga I do not have a lot of time with me. I'm going to start off first with the kaisa-isahang product na hindi pang skin but is for the hair. It's the Luxe Organix Premium Keratin 10-in-1 Hair Elixir Leave-In Treatment. I got this for 149 pesos, and this is how it looks like. Actually, gusto ko na siyang buksan. Amoy lalaki. Pero ayan siya, para siyang pamus. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa dulo ng hair mo. Hopefully is maging okay siya with my hair, and makatulong siya para maging mas manageable as well as ma-maintain ko yung aking rebonded hair. So, ayan. Alam ko, bago to sa kanila or bagong line to na ginawa nila. Itong Niacinamide line nila. So, I bought the cleanser, the toner, and then the serum. So let's start up with the Whitening Repair Gentle Foam Cleanser. This is 150 grams. If I'm not mistaken, this is sold for 299 ata. So for the prices guys, is ilalagay ko na lang sa baba. So ito siya. And then I also got myself yung kanilang whitening toner, dahil mas okay daw if gagamitin siya with the toner. So, ayan. Try natin buksan. When you open it, just like Korean skincare product, is meron din siya parang film pa dito para hindi siya mag-spill. That's nice. Actually, yes, this is made from Korea. Essence toner, I believe I got this for 389 pesos. Again, for the exact prices, guys, is ilalagay ko yung product prices sa baba. Next item naman from the Niacinamide line is their Miracle Repair Serum. So, ito yung binili ko. It's their Miracle Repair Serum 1 Drop Miracle. Hindi ba parang redundant? Anyways. Ay, nice. Yung itsura niya parang The Ordinary. Hoy! Ang bango. I love it. Ito namang serum na to guys is 30 ml, and I got this for 499 pesos. So, ayan. Excited na ako. From their Niacinamide line, ang hindi ko lang binili is their underarm cream. It's not because maputi ang kilikili ko, but because may ginagamit pa akong cream. So, ayan. Gagamitin ko tong whole line na to guys. Babalitaan ko kayo definitely after a month kung ano yung naging kanyang effect on my skin, and if natanggal ba talaga yung aking pimple marks. And then next item, dahil tayo po ay nasa late 20s na, oh my gosh, and late 20s, I got myself the Luxe Organix Age Reverse Serum. Ito naman may pagka citrusy yung amoy niya. So ayan. Same with the Niacinamide Serum, I got this for 499 pesos. And last but not the least, syempre I need to restock my favorite Luxe Organix Soothing Gel. So ayan, 1 tub is for 300 ml and then 229 pesos. Ang tagal nito, sobrang tagal nito bago maubos. Para mga naabot ata ako ng 3 to 4 months bago to maubos. So, ayan. That's it. Basically, that's going to be my skincare routine for the next 30 days. I'm going to be sharing with you guys kung ano nagiging result. That's it for this mini haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and find this video helpful. If you guys like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye!